Hey everyone. So welcome to week 7. I'm here looking down at our module for this week, and really it's just a continuation of what you've been doing since week 6, which is looking for those sources and getting ready to fill out this library research worksheet. And library is a little misleading in that all of the sources do not need to come from the library. But this week I have included some handouts on incorporating material from sources into your writing, how to properly quote, just because that will be important going forward. So I encourage you to look at those. There's a little MLA citations quiz. And then we have the research worksheet, which is the main thing that we've been working towards. And this is worth quite a bit because it is so important. You just open this up. You are simply going to share with me the topic that you are going to be writing about, the research question that has been guiding your research. You need to provide me with names of 2 databases. These aren't databases that you needed to have found your sources in, but I want you to understand what databases are. And so I have the videos that I presented and provided last week in the module that describes what databases are and shares quite a few different databases. So I just want you to name a couple of those here. Now for the rest of the worksheet, I'm just simply asking for citations. I want to know that you have found some sources. This is not a contract. This doesn't mean that you have to use all of these and you cannot change any of them out, but I want to know that you are well on your way for our final project. And so these are full MLA citations. They are not simply links. They are not titles hyperlinked. They are the full citation. So make sure that you look at our MLA resources module if you're unfamiliar with writing citations, and refresh your memory or use those handouts to help guide you. Finally, I just want a brief description of your research process. What did you do first, second, third, fourth? It doesn't have to be pretty. It's just a description of what you did as you researched, because that will help you see what worked well for you, what might need to be changed in your process going forward. It's just a really important and valuable practice to reflect on what we did. And that's it for this week. So let me know if you have any questions. Please reach out. If you are having any kind of problems finding your sources, I am more than willing to help. But have a great week.